Grandma, you look older today.
Older? Look at your wrinkles first.
These are not wrinkles, they are life decorations.
Your face looks like a dry potato.
At least I am a handsome potato.
Handsome? Even the mirror feels tired of you.
I still look younger than you.
Younger. Your knees make popcorn sounds.
That is my body singing music.
Your back bends like a banana.
Because I carried this family for years.
You carried snacks, not the family.
Why do you walk so slowly now?
Because I am avoiding old men like you.
Yesterday, you forgot where the kitchen was.
And yesterday you called the dog grandson.
The dog listens better than you.
The dog also looks younger than you.
My hair is still strong.
Strong. Half of it already escaped.
Bald heads are fashionable.
Then you are becoming a fashion king.
At least I still have energy.
You slept during breakfast this morning.
I was resting my eyes.
For 40 minutes?
That was a power nap.
Your whole life is one long nap.
You need glasses now.
And you need a hearing aid.
What? Speak louder.
Exactly my point.
I can still run fast.
Run? Last week you lost a race against a turtle.
That turtle cheated.
Even turtles feel younger than you.
Why do you use so much face cream?
Because unlike you, I care about beauty.
Beauty left this house years ago.
It left when your teeth disappeared.
These dentures are expensive.
They whistle when you talk.
Your memory is getting old too.
Really? Who forgot his own birthday?
I was testing everyone.
The only thing you test is my patience.
Look at your gray hair.
Gray hair means wisdom.
Then you must be a genius.
Thank you. Finally, you admit it.
I did not say that.
Too late. My old ears heard it clearly.
Your old ears? So you admit you are older.
No, I mean wiser,
That sounds like old with extra steps.
says the man who groans every time he sits down.
Chairs are dangerous nowadays.
The only dangerous thing here is your smell.
That is vintage perfume.
Vintage garbage, maybe. Let's eat!
Why do you need afternoon naps?
Because arguing with you is exhausting.
Young people also nap.
But they do not snore like motorcycles.
My snoring scares away thieves.
It almost scared me out of marriage.
You still love me.
Sometimes, when you are sleeping quietly.
So I am handsome while sleeping?
No, just less annoying.
I still think you are older.
I still think you were born before dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs respected me.
Because they thought you were family.
You laugh like an old witch.
Better than coughing like an old tractor.
My cough is powerful.
Your cough has its own echo.
Fine. Maybe we are both old.
Yes, but I am still younger than you.
Impossible.
Then why do strangers call you grandpa first?
Because I look wise.
No, because you look expired.